This video shows the inserter module overview and how to load paper in Inserter Tray 1. Inserter module is used to load media such as blank, pre-printed, or special stock that you inserted into the finished output. The media serves as separators and covers for the finished output. The printer does not print media fed from the inserter module. Instead, the printer places media into the printed output at selected locations. This optional finishing accessory requires an interface decurler module, IDM. The components of inserter module are Tray 1 or inserter tray, inserter control panel, and inserter front cover. To insert separator sheets or cover sheets, such as blank or pre-printed sheets, use the inserter tray T1. Before using tray T1, remove any remaining paper from the tray. Load all the paper required for the job into the tray. To use saddle stitch and bifold options, ensure that the paper loaded in the main feeding tray is the same size as the paper in tray T1. The printer inserts the paper loaded in tray T1 into the finished printed output. Tray T1 has a maximum capacity of 250 sheets based on Colotech Plus 90 paper. Move guides to the widest position and load the paper. Then align all edges. If the paper is pre-printed, load the paper with the printed side facing up. To prevent paper jams and printer malfunctions, do not load paper above the maximum fill line. If set by the system administrator, the Tray 1 window appears on the printer control panel. From the Tray 1 window, enter or verify the correct paper information. To save the information and close the Tray 1 window, select OK.